Hello, my name is Richard C. Wilson. I'm the founder of the Family Office Club and also a virtual investor club called privateequity.com. Just wanted to record this video because we hit 150 investors under contract now within our virtual investor club. And we have gotten 7 now investment allocations completed since the pandemic started. We just launched this in the end of January. And what we've been doing is taking the 2,000 registered investors in the Family Office Club that come to our virtual investor panels and webinars and live events when we have them, et cetera, and taking some of those and registering them to look at investments through us and look at direct investments that we're able to source for them. So what's been popular right now, well, first of all, I want to get out of the way. People say, are investors committing to anything right now? And they for sure are. We've had real estate investments, we've had an operating business investment, had multiple alternative investments and a hedge fund investment vehicle that's been popular. So investments are getting done right now for sure. I think that I also wanted to emphasize what is being popular right now. So income investments, gross revenue, royalty, structured type investments, alternative investments that don't track real estate, the stock market, or operating business investments. For example, we have a life settlement strategy we've been able to source. None of these investments we create and cook up behind the scenes with our team and then sell them to our investors. To date, we don't have a single one of those. We're just looking at what's the smartest investment ideas we can source from the 45,000 professionals a year that interact with my 15-person team here at the Family Office Club. We have thousands of people a week on our discussion panels, webinars, interacting with my team, and we source the best of those ideas to bring to the investor club. The ideas that are high conviction, low risk, relatively low risk, moderate return typically. And, the income, royalty, alternative investments, things which could be a distressed investment, but it's about the collateral and the downside risk being managed more so than it being 1,000 times return possibility. And also high trust, conviction in the strategy, credible team is much more important than what the returns are. We're really focused. There's many angel investor clubs. We just finished an interview with one. We've done 73 Zoom one-on-one video interviews since the pandemic started. All of those are within the investor portal in familyoffices.com for our members. And many angel investor network heads are part of the Family Office Club, and many angel investors are too. So we can be a place of progress and access for angel investors if you're someone raising capital. But I want to make clear to any investors looking to join privateequity.com that we don't do angel investments or venture capital or startups within that platform just because we're focused on things that are already profitable, have already grown to a certain level, or on income producing, cash flowing real estate investments, and a little bit of real estate development when there's collateral and some downside protection. So I just want to do that update on what's going on with us with privateequity.com and our investor portal there. Please do not register there if you're looking to raise capital or syndicate deals in any way. It's only for investors that want to allocate to direct investments we're sourcing. I wanted to give that update on progress because we get so many questions on every panel of whether anything's getting done here during the pandemic. So the final note I'll end with is that over and over again on the panels, as well as the one-on-one interviews, we just hear that investors are in research mode. They're meeting with people via Zoom. They're doing phone calls. They're getting access to data rooms, conducting due diligence, getting together their thesis, their 3 to 5 strategies for recovering or moving quick out of this pandemic. And if you're just sitting back saying, well, I can't get anything done right now because we can't meet in person as much or at all, then there's other people out there that are planting hundreds of seeds that are going to bear fruit this summer while you're just going to get started this summer or this fall with making progress. So thanks for checking out what we're up to at privateequity.com or being part of the Family Office Club and following our media channel and our YouTube channel or a podcast. Appreciate that. And I hope to see you on one of our live webinars or virtual discussion panels shortly. Take care.